Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at IKEA because I want to pick up some woven baskets for some new plants that I have. But I'm also obviously going to check out the plant section and maybe whatever else is plant related. So come along with me so we can see what they have. Okay, so these are the woven baskets that I came here for, and they are fully stocked on them. They're $9.99 each. I'm going to pick up 3 because I have 3 plants that I need them for, and I'm just going to go ahead now and head over to the plant section. Here they have some watering cans for $12.99. They also have a bunch of these with a thin spout. And this is the one that I have. It's really good for watering cacti and succulents, and it costs $9.99. They also have these really nice glass spray misters for only $3.99. They also had these greenhouses for $14.99 without the glass windows. I think they're more so just for decoration, and they also came in black. So here's another greenhouse that they have that has the glass windows, and this one costs $19.99. Okay, moving on to where they have their plant pots. Here they have their usual 4-inch white pots for $4. They also had these 4-inch galvanized pots for 79 cents. They also had some pots that I hadn't seen before. This one right here was $8. They also had this green one here, and this one was $4.99. They also had these woven hanging planters for $8. They also have these black plant pots with the plastic liner inside. The larger ones are $8 and these smaller ones are $7. They also have these 9-inch gray pots for $20. I believe they were made out of clay because they were very heavy. They also had the same style in a 4-inch for $5.99. They also had these really heavy terracotta flower beds here. I had never seen those there before. They were $19.99, and as you can see, they also have a drainage hole. And here they had their 4-inch terracotta pots that come with a saucer for only $5. They also had these plant pots with stands, and they came in either a black stand or a gold stand for $20. They also had these really nice 12-inch self-watering pots with wheels for $19.99. Okay, so enough of the pots. Let's get into the plants. Here they had some cacti. They had some for $5.99 as well as some others for $4.99. Here they had a Domino Cactus, also known as a balloon cactus. They also had some little bromeliads in ceramic pots for $5.99. They also had some small Dracaena Marginatas for $6.99. They also had some Peperomia, but I couldn't find the price on those. I hear a lot of people don't like crotons, but I personally like how colorful they are, especially in landscaping. Leave a comment down below and let me know, do you like crotons? They also had some Sansevieria fernwoods for $12.99. They also had some 4-inch golden pothos and this green Peperomia Obtusifolia, but I didn't see a price on those. They also had this Peperomia on clearance for $2. Some 4-inch Dracaena Marginatas for $3.99. Also some red anthuriums for $9.99. And some lucky bamboo for $3.99. They also had these really nice yucca plants with 2 in the pot for $39.99, and these are a lot larger than the ones that they usually have at Walmart. They also had these 9-inch pots of white birds of paradise for $19.99. And they also had a bunch of these Dracaena Marginatas for $29.99. They also had these 8-inch Dracaena Marginatas for $12.99.
I know. But unless you touch them, you don't know.
They also had these Boston ferns in hanging baskets for $12.99. They also had a bunch of bags of leca for $5.99, and this is where I purchased mine from. Okay, so we'll get back into the live plants in a little bit, but first let's take a look at the plant stands. Okay, so this black one here is $29.99. It has a top and a bottom area to place a plant. This white one right next to it is $49.99, and it also has 2 rows to hold plants. The one beside that, it's almost shaped like a bicycle. I've never seen this one before. It looks like it holds 3 plants on the circle platforms, and then the bottom can also hold plants. And that one was going for $34.99. They also have these black metal plant stands. This one holds 3 separate plants and it was only $9.99. This one was $19.99. And these are their bamboo and white Satsumas collection. This one right here with the 3 tiers is $29.99. And this is their ladder plant stand that comes with 5 white pots for $39.99. They also had this white hanging planter for $10. I had never seen this one before. And this is another style of their bamboo and white plant stands. This one has 2 shelves for $49.99. And here's another style they had that holds 2 plants. I had never seen this one before. It was $14.99. Okay, getting back to the plants, here they had an 8-inch Sansevieria for $14.99. And also some really nice sized palm trees for $17.99. And on the way out, they had a bunch more of those palm trees for $17.99. They also had more of those birds of paradise and some golden pothos in 6-inch pots for $9.99. Also some little ficus liratas or fiddly figs for $14.99 in 6-inch pots. They also had some green ZZ plants for $9.99. Some more Dracaena Marginatas and some really nice ponytail palms for only $9.99. This is a really good deal on these. They also had these super cute coffee plants and coffee mugs for $9.99. I thought those would make a really cute gift. And they also had some more succulent arrangements. Some more of those Dracaena Synthos for $6.99. Some aloe veras for $4.99. More of those Sansevieria fernwoods for $12.99. And some more cacti for $5.99. They also had one of my favorites, the Domino Cactus. I absolutely love this. I have 2 already, and they always put out really pretty white flowers for me. I was also surprised to find that they had another one of my favorites, which is the Devil's Tongue Cactus. So I ended up purchasing 3 of the baskets that I went there for. I also purchased this white watering can with the bamboo handle. And I also purchased 2 cacti. I got this Devil's Tongue Cactus. As well as my fave, the Domino Cactus.